Hello everyone, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the stock of the day, and I don't think there's any doubt about this one. This is a DCFC. Now, if you were in the room yesterday, out of nowhere, this stock just started to run, and we found out that I guess the White House had invited them for a meeting, and so that got this stock just absolutely jump-started. Now we have here that there's about 140 million in the float. It's hard to believe there's that many because of the percentage moves that it had yesterday. Remember, the day before yesterday, this was a 680 stock. It got all the way up to $12, so almost a double. Okay, it did pull back and it meandered around for the rest of the day. Had a little move after hours, but I thought, okay, I'm going to watch this one in the pre-market to just see if there's any action. And so I haven't taken a pre-market trade for a while, and I actually got this one right over 11. I did sell some just underneath 12 and just underneath 13. I don't have the mark here. And then it started, bottoming tails, topping tails. I had an alert set here for about 13.13. I wanted to see if it took that out, and I was all set to buy, and it just absolutely screamed higher. I think it got halted here. Yeah, at 14.20. So obviously I didn't get it. And then when it opened, look what it got to, up to 16.79. I didn't take it, but I couldn't take it because it just absolutely ripped so high. But on the pullback, I got back into it and was able to make, which I could say I got right here and sold right at the top here. But, as I always say in the room, you give me the middle 2/3 of some of these moves and I'm happy. So I was able to trade this twice, again, once in the pre-market and then once around here. But many in the room, of course, we were watching this one. And it's an all-time high right now, and who knows what's going to happen later on in the day. Definitely want to keep an eye on it. If it, believe it or not, if it takes out that high of 1784, it could keep rolling. But anyway, definitely the trade of the day in our trading room. And if it's a free room, guys, come on in, and you'll have a lot of fun in the room. Lots of great traders here. All right, I want to close this down, and in the email you're getting, again, you'll see the link to take our test drive. The test drive starts on Monday, and it'll run for 10 trading days. And for $11.11, you'll have access to the full premium service, except you will not be able to auto trade. That's the only thing you won't be able to do. But try us out. Again, we only do this about 3 or 4 times a year, so great opportunity to try out the program to see if you like it. All right, I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope everybody has a great evening, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.